Florida Brasspineapple Productions. Jason over here at the Goodwill on Pine Island Road in Cape Coral, Florida, where I found a really good deal for under $8, $7.99. You can get this little lightweight Hamilton Beach blender. It has a pulse control on it. It seems to be pretty clean. It doesn't look broken. It's in good condition. And this would be perfect if you're gonna, at home making a drink. You can mix up fruit and veggies in this thing. You can make sauces with this, with jalapeno and habanero peppers for chicken, and this is the best, basically one of my personal picks today for one of the best items you can have for your kitchen. I mean, this will kind of do it all. I mean, it's not super high powered, but it will definitely make a whole bunch of dishes for you and get you on your culinary leveling up for the most part. So I would definitely come on in and check something like this. It has a little lock mechanism so it doesn't spill, and like I said, this will get you through. I have one at home that's very similar. It's a little bit different, and I've had it for 5 years and it hasn't failed me since. So that is the word. Like, subscribe, share, comment, or don't. Either way, I'd appreciate it. Best of you. God bless. Be good to each other. Peace on us.